Hello everyone, I am Professor Anil Kumar N. Joshi, Chairman and Principal of United PU and Degree College. These two colleges are run by United Group Charitable Trust, Bangalore. Today we are going to announce that special news for everyone, that there are many single parents who will be there in Karnataka, even India. Those can apply for their own children a special scholarship scheme where at United College. They should be a single parent and having a girl children. Such girl children are going to get a free education from United College. They'll be having exemptions of fees and providing uniform, stationery. Even college can take them to industrial tour as well as excursion also will be having a free. So that's why hurry up. All the information also you are going to get from the college. So you can visit and take clear information from our admission counselor. See, there is one important thing which has announced by Government of India, that Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾದರೆ ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷರತಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಶಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತವಳು ಹೆಣ್ಣು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರನ್ನ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಮಹತ್ತರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಚಾರಿಟಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಲೇ ದಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ and do the best. There is one more criteria, that the children should have a minimum 60% and also the below this 3 lakh per annum parent should have. Such students are eligible. There are only 10 seats. Such facilities has to be utilized by these wonderful parents, and ದೇಶದ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದೆ. ತಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು, ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.